Hello， 大家好，欢迎来到我的频道。Today, what we will learn is about some basic verbs and auxiliary verbs that often appear in our daily life. Not very difficult, but they always exist in some sentences structure. So we should know them at the beginning of learning Chinese. It's helpful for your daily communication. Let's go on. The first verb is 是. To some extent, you can say 是 as be verb. That's am, is, are, something like this. For example, 你是谁？我是小明。我是小明。Its negative form is 不是。不是。The Chinese character 不 we have learned before, right? For example, 我不是小明。我不是小明。So the verb 是 is very important. 非 or 否 are both 是's antonym, but not always used in oral Chinese. So the verb 是 is very important. The second verb is 有。有。The 有 sentence indicating existence. The sentence structure is subject and 有 and object. The subject can be somebody or somewhere. For example, 我有一本书。有 means have, means I have a book. 我有一本书。桌子上有一杯水。桌子上有一杯水 means there is a cup of water on the table. Its negative form is 没有。没有。The word 没 we have learned, right? Okay, let's go on. The third is 能。能。能 These Chinese characters is very important in Chinese Mandarin. In English, we have can, may, could, right? But in Chinese, 能 can express all of them. Number one, 能 means be able to. 能够 indicating an ability. For example, 我能做好这件事情。我能做好这件事 means I can do these things well. Number two, 能什么什么吗 in this interrogative sentence structure, indicating a request, hope for permission, like may I have something? Something like this. For example, 我能坐在这里吗？我能坐在这里吗 means may I have a seat here? The last one is 会。会 similar to 能 会 indicates acquiring an ability after learning. For example, 我会说汉语。我会说汉语 means I can speak Chinese. 我会做饭。我会做饭 means I can cook. 会 is also more subjective than 能。For example, 他能做这件事 means he can do this thing. He has the ability to do this thing. But whether he will do this thing, we don't know. That's 能 only express he can do this thing. He have the ability. But 他会做这件事会 here is more subjective than 能 has subjective guess in it. Means he will do this thing. So that's a little difference between 能 and 会. Okay, now let's review what we have learned new words today. Number one, 是。是 Number two, 有。有 Number three, 能。能 Number four, 会。 So you got it? Alright, today's video is coming to an end. Hope that you can learn my videos. Any questions can leave a comment below. Let's talk about together. See you next time. Bye bye.